I think we're definitely into six digits. I think we're definitely how high, 110, 120, just depends how much crazy. If you remember, in 17, we went from 10,000 to 20,000 in about 8 weeks.
Yeah.
And then on December 18th, they allowed futures and we went down. Because again, what's happening, and you can see it on your clock behind you, the price is going down. Well, why is the price going down? Everybody's buying. We had set record for new buys. Remember, a lot of those buys, particularly by the hedge funds and the traders, they're shorting the future against it. So they're pushing the price down so they can buy it cheaper, right? Dirty little secret on Wall Street. If you like something, you don't tell everyone you like it. You tell everyone you hate it. And then you go out and buy more of it. So they're pushing the price down on futures. And that's why in 17 and then 18, we had the bear market all the way down to 3,000. So then in 21, we were at 13,000. We went to 60,000 by mid-February before Elon tweeted that he wasn't going to accept it for cars. And then we dropped 50%. And then it went up 100 back to all-time highs before the bear market. And so I think that's where it changes. So sometime first quarter next year, second quarter next year, we get the next bear cycle. There will be another bear cycle. And the depth of the bear cycle will depend on how high the blow off top is. Because fair value is just going to keep accreting. Mm-hmm. Fair value today, probably in the 80s, somewhere like that. By middle of next year, it'll probably be closer to 100. And that's just the Metcalfe's law value of the network.
Right.
But if we go to 150 or 160, then we're definitely going to crash. And we'll go right through fair value as we are prone to do. Now, do we go down 84% or 83% or 67%? I don't know. It all depends on how much leverage gets in the system. Because ultimately, that's what determines the cycles. When the price is below fair value, the investors come in. People like me who like to buy things below fair value. That's our job. Mm-hmm. Then as the price starts to get towards fair value, the traders come in. And traders don't care about fair value. They just want movement. Well, then as you get above fair value, the speculators come in. Well, why do the speculators come in? Because the hedgers, once it's above fair value, they will sell. And a speculator is just the opposite side of a hedger. Right. So the miners hold until it gets above fair value, then they sell. Well, then the gamblers come in. And the gamblers, all they see is a price going up. They just buy it on margin and they hope they can get out before it goes down. And then it just unwinds the same way.